Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're here at Hamilton Health Sciences at the Thrombosis Bridging Clinic, in which we're here to really figure out what the pain points are in the healthcare system. We're going to really take a design thinking approach to this whole building of a solution. What exactly is design? Design is not a product. Design is not an experience. Design is basically a process. Design basically encompasses 4 different aspects: empathy, define, ideate, test, and prototype. So today we're here with the nurses at Hamilton General Hospital to really understand those pain points and figure out how can we apply a design thinking approach to the whole solution building process. And as a result, we'll come up with something that's practical, realistic, and also has got feedback from stakeholders such as patients, physicians, and nurses. So if you guys have any problems in the healthcare space, especially when it comes to digitization of platforms or modernization of platforms, let us know. We'll be happy to chat.